Hello, team. I'm Shroja Sherlin, and I'm here to explain about the customer support software called Freshdesk. So let's start with why we need a support desk. Well, because if you are a business and you have customers, of course, the customers are going to have issues or queries, and they need a platform in which they can raise those queries, and you need a platform in which you can address those queries. And that is exactly what a support desk is. It is basically the platform. And why we need Freshdesk as the platform in general is because Freshdesk has its seamless omnichannel support and it cuts down on manual repetitive tasks using advanced automation rules. And of course, it has amazing advanced analytics and reportings. And honestly, analytics and reporting is the priority number one feature that you should be looking on forward to in any software because unless and until you don't know how you're performing and where is the scope of improvement, just gonna keep doing what you're doing, and it's not good, you guys. So let's dive into how the tool looks and feels. So this is exactly how the dashboard looks. So if I'm a support agent, I am gonna wake up, log in, and this is what I see first. So I have used how many open tickets. Okay, so tickets in the first hand means the queries that your customers raise, it gets converted into a ticket, and you as a support agent from the backend would be working on this ticket, which would be in the open state. You would be addressing their issues and you'd be resolving these tickets. So that is what tickets mean. And so here you have open tickets, which is 132. You have unassigned tickets, you have high priority tickets, how many high priority tickets. So this is a dashboard that you have customized for yourself so that you can have an immediate idea of how today is going to look like. How many open tickets do I have? How many unassigned tickets does my team have? And what is the customer satisfaction for yesterday or for the past month? How can I improve it? Who are the top performers in my company? And what is the average wait time for a customer that has reached out to me over chat? Um, Before an employee replies, and how to improve these metrics. So each and every detail you have it in this dashboard, and this is completely customizable. So you can have those informations added and those informations deleted that you think are important and not important respective. So let's say, okay, I have 132 open tickets. So let's say I am going to click on to the number of open tickets, and this is exactly the page it takes me to. It takes me to the tickets view page where I can see each and every ticket one below the other. And right beside each ticket, I'd be able to see the priority of the ticket. It says medium, high, medium, low, low. And I can see which team and agent this ticket belongs to. And in this case, it belongs to the support team, and the agent is Ria Sebastian, and the status of the ticket, which is waiting on third party, which means probably Ria has done her work and she's waiting on some third party to complete their work in order to resolve this ticket. So this entire story I just got to know with this view, right? So it's as simple as that. So you can also see that this ticket was created through a call because you can see a phone icon right below the subject of the ticket. And the subject of the ticket can be either created by the customer who's raising the ticket or raising the query, or the agent who probably answered the call and he'll be like, okay, so this is your issue. Okay, I'm going to create a ticket out of it. So she would have hung it up and she would have created the ticket saying a call with this particular on about this particular author. And or it could also be an AI generated query. For example, if created or reached out to you over a platform with no subject, AI is going to scan the body of the ticket, and then it's going to give you the subject of the ticket for you to easily understand with one view as in what's going on in this ticket. So you can start resolving these tickets based on priority or SLAs. So SLA is basically service level agreement, which means it's basically a promise between a company and a customer. So the company is promising the customer that your ticket would be resolved within the specific time, probably 24 hours or 1 day or 2 days. It's basically that promise. So each and every ticket based on the priority index has its own SLA, and you as a customer support agent would be resolving these tickets again based on priorities and SLAs. So once the ticket has been resolved, uh, a feedback link would be emailed to the customer saying how was the customer satisfaction, and that is where the customer gets to rate you or give you feedback. And that is exactly what is shown here in customer satisfaction. In this case, it's 3.5 out of 5, which is not that great. So probably you'll have to pull out reports to see, okay, where is the scope of improvement, what can I do better in order to get a better number here. So there's also a filters view in which you can filter out tickets based on the agents that the ticket's been assigned to, the group the ticket's been assigned to, the tickets created after or before a specific time, the tickets that are due by a specific time. So there are a lot of other features with which you can filter out tickets, and everything here is customizable. So you can add your own fields that you want to. You can probably customize the look and feel of the tool as well, but this is the standard way that we maintain currently in Freshworks. So yeah, so let's say I click on to probably the refund me three ticket, the second one, and as soon as I click on this is exactly how it's gonna look. So that particular ticket is going to open up. The subject is going to show here. In this case, it's something else. But let's say if I open that ticket, it's going to show that refund, please. And I'll be able to see the body of the ticket. And I can just respond to the person saying, sure, your refund will be initiated in a day or two. Or if this ticket doesn't belong to you, it has to go to the finance team. You can just add a note saying this needs to go to the finance team and go to the fields here. You can just assign the group as finance and update. So automatically the ticket gets removed from your name and gets assigned to the finance team. Or if you're the one who needs to handle this ticket, you can just respond saying, sure, I'll take care of it. Or sure, your refund will be initiated within 2 business days. And you can just click onto the status and select resolved and update the ticket so that the ticket gets resolved and the customer can now actually give you feedback on how the customer service was. So this is what Freshdesk support desk in a nutshell is. The customer raises a query, it gets converted into a ticket. You have a lot of fields based on the priority and SLA of the ticket. You resolve these tickets, and that's it. The customer is happy. Or if he's sad, you're gonna see why he's sad and you're gonna improve on it. That's it. So next step would be, of course, the demo. Then our onboarding team will be setting up the tool for you, and then you're gonna start using the tool and enjoying its perks. Thank you.